Hey everybody, it's Keith with the L1 Automotive Training Channel, and today we're in one of my favorite, yes, we're in a smart car. I don't know a whole lot of story about this. It's got some Flex Seal and duct tape holding the roof on. Anyways, this is a all keys lost. So what has to happen, it got dropped off, and I've never done one before, so you're gonna follow with me. Like I'm gonna try every tool I got. I don't know. So here's where, so we pulled the lock cylinder out, pulled the whole housing out, pulled the lock cylinder, got the lock cylinder out, went ahead and leashed with the VA6. I just got to say that was the most challenging leash I've ever done. But we got it done, made, let me see here, I get this set up and you can see. I got a key made, so we can put it in, she turns, sweet. So we made a key. So now we're at the point of assembly of this car we didn't do. Came here with a stone cold battery. So we're gonna give it a shot with a 508. Click accept. I've actually never done this before on a smart car, and all keys lost anyways. So let's take a look here. Let's go Euro. Let's go. What's bad is when I go to do this, you guys usually are like, it's right there, and I don't see it. I'm a dude. So we're gonna go keys on. Oh, I made a key, put it right here in the ignition. Just made one. Turns pretty nice. Attempting XP400. Okay, so we're gonna try it without the XP400. I'm just gonna see if it'll go in there. We'll go expert selection. I don't really know. Shut off, right off. Radio. This is a 453. I'm gonna go automatic detection, but I think it's a 453. So 2008. Smart 4.2. .451. Okay. Apparently I have no idea what I'm talking about. Key learning. Begin. Turn ignition on. Okay, we did that. 2. Okay. Turn ignition off. Just turned it off. Click OK. This would be awesome if it'd be like super simple. Key on. Okay. Learning learning keys. This is super anticlimactic. It's complete. Do you want to learn the next key? No. Starting instrument. Hey, the key light. Oh, no, the key light's back on. It says success. So escape. Exit. Okay. All right, so the key light was on right there. So I'm gonna turn the ignition off, put the key in, ignition on. Oh yeah, look at that. It says it's in first gear. That's cool. Put the foot on brake. No crank. No crank. It says it's in first gear, and that says it's in park. Well, now this is officially turned into a diagnosis. So, as anticlimactic as that was, that's adding the key to a smart car, all keys lost. Doing locksmith things today. So obviously the issue is going to be the car's in first gear. Stay tuned for part 2, but here's what I'll tell you about this system. Smart cars are manufactured by Mercedes-Benz, but this has a Mitsubishi 3-cylinder engine with a manual trans attached to it and an automatic shift controller and motor that controls the shift fork and everything inside of it, like actually what gears it goes into. So it's really just a three-cylinder with a manual trans, and it's all automatically controlled. So this says it's in first gear. It also is flashing the fuel light at me. I don't know we don't know any history about this car. The guy said, all the keys are lost, can you make a key? And we said yes, and he goes, why does everyone say no? And it's because you have to do that work. You can get I have the cut code for the car. Not the cut code. I have yeah, it's the cut code. I just didn't have the direct bidding. So I had to, pull the lock cylinder. Zach pulled the lock cylinder. Zach got most of the work done. Then he got frustrated with it because he was doing the Mercedes-Benz all keys lost on that crossfire across the shop. You'll probably see a video on that. Anyways, so this is going to turn into a diag. Wait for part 2, and hopefully they'll approve that. If not, this is the end of it. Look at the video title. It'll tell you if it's part 1 or part 2 or nothing to do with it. But thanks, guys. All keys lost on smart car. We'll see you next time.